Hello FinCrime agents, today we are delving into the critical world of virtual asset service providers. We are exploring a comprehensive RUSI report that sheds light on the best practices for risk assessment in this dynamic sector. If you are interested in the intersection of finance, technology and regulatory compliance, you don't want to miss this. So let's jump right into today's video. The RUSI report that we are reviewing today is a treasure for professionals dealing with virtual asset service providers. It provides a comprehensive analysis of financial crime risks, mitigation strategies, and compliance frameworks, all crucial for virtual asset service providers. So let's go deeper into these risks. For virtual asset service providers, uneven regulatory oversight is a significant challenge. The report says uneven implementation of crypto assets regulations enable criminals to carry out regulatory arbitrage. This creates a fragmented regulatory landscape where virtual asset service providers must navigate diverse rules across jurisdictions. The complexity here is not just about compliance, but understanding how these varying regulations can be exploited by malicious actors, making a unified global approach towards regulation more essential than ever. Regarding risk mitigation, the report stresses the importance of robust internal controls for virtual asset service providers. It notes that a VASP should have robust systems and controls in place to mitigate financial crime risks. This emphasizes the need for virtual asset service providers to not only establish a comprehensive control system, but to ensure that they are adaptable and effective. The dynamic nature of the digital asset landscape demands that this control be continuously evaluated and updated to address new and emerging threats, and also ensuring the safety and integrity of the virtual asset service industry. The report also highlights the key best practices for virtual asset service providers, especially in customer vetting. In fact, it says screening customers for sanctions and adverse media risk. This is about more than ticking regulatory boxes. It is about conducting a thorough analysis of each customer background, financial behavior, and potential risk factors. This level of scrutiny helps a virtual asset service provider to not only comply with the regulations, but actively safeguard their operations from being exploited for illicit purposes. It underscores the need for continuous vigilance and proactive stance in identifying and mitigating risk associated with customer engagements. So I strongly suggest you to read this report in full, as I believe it offers an invaluable guide for managing risk specifically in the virtual asset service sector. For virtual asset service providers, implementing these practices is not just about compliance, but about being responsible player in a financial ecosystem that now they are part of. So remember, in the rapidly evolving world, or specifically in the digital assets, staying informed and proactive is key. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more detailed explanation into the world of regulatory compliance and financial crime. To support my FinCrime agent project, my Patreon link is in the video description, or you can even send a super thanks directly from this video if you wish. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see you soon.